the television, a ship was sinking. It seemed so real, but it was just a movie made by Irwin Allen. What a relief. And on the ship was Ernest Borgnine, brave in the face of certain death. He played a cop on a pleasure cruise, along with his wife, an ex-prostitute. Of course, Shelley Winters, she was on the ship. She was good too, but she died. As did Gene Hackman, a preacher who gave his life so that others could live. He died shouting, "How many more lives?" On the screen, the city crumbled. So realistic, but yet another film by the master of realism, Mr. Irwin Allen. No lesser man than Lorne Greene and Mr. George Kennedy risked their lives to save the lives of strangers. Their selflessness was moving. Chuck Heston was in the movie too, but he was just a ham. TV, a building in flames. It was time.